Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So here an uptrend. This is consolidation area. So we are in ranging market. So we are in a ranging market now. So we'll wait and see what will happen. This is consolidation area. If I see rejection from this level, yes, I place put option at this level because of the rejection, and break out of this level. I know definitely sellers must enter. That's why I place my trade put option. So because of this trend line, you see trend line, strong sellers entry, strong sellers entry, and gap up here. So after this breakout, I know definitely sellers must enter because of the ranging market. And this is trend channel. This is a trend channel. This is strong sellers. Strong sellers. You should expect strong sellers. After breakout of this candle, market must come down. So that's why I place my trade put option at this level. So let's analyze another market and see. Today I will take only 3 trades or 2 because the market is not nice. Market is not so nice, so we have to be careful. This candle are too tiny. I see rejection. Yes, I see rejection. I place my trade put option because of this rejection and this trend line. You see strong sellers entry. So I know definitely it will not break this trend line because of the rejection. And this is the trend channel. And this is this exhaustion candle. This strong candle is exhaustion candle, and this is the sellers area. So I know definitely sellers must enter. So that's why I place my trade put option here. you can see these strong sellers, rejection by sellers, rejection by sellers, strong sellers, and you should expect sellers entry. That's why I place my trade put option, and here at this level market rejected, rejection, rejection, rejection. When market reached the level, rejected. So that's why I place my trade put option at this level. So, and this is another winning trade. So let's analyze. I will take only 3 trades today, because you see the payout and the market is not nice. Here you are in ranging market, this create higher high, this candle, and this is the momentum, and this like breakout, Bollinger breakout. I don't think market will reverse at this level because of this momentum, but I will wait and see what will happen to this candle. If this candle break this level, I'll go with buyers, and if this candle didn't break this level, I will go with sellers. If this candle is weak candle, I will go with sellers. If this candle is breaking this level, I will go with buyers. So let's see. Because the trend has not yet been strong, major trend is not strong yet. So wait. Where is this? So if market rejects from this 200 EMA, I will go with sellers. The market is not nice, it's very fast. You see it's very fast, sellers entry strongly. It's rejection. Rejection. So I will go with sellers at this level. Why? Because if you observe, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 green candle. You should expect 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles. So that's why I place my trade put option. So I know definitely market will create one more red candle. So let's see. Even though market is doing some panic, I know definitely it will create red candle. You see, sellers entry. We have 13 seconds. It will close below my entry point. You see red candle. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see this is the winning trade, and on the next candle is another opportunity. Yes, on the next candle, if it is exhaustion candle, it's another opportunity. Market will reverse if it is exhaustion candle, but it's not. If this candle is strong red candle, market will reverse. You see it's not market reverse because of this 1, 2, 3, 4 market reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4 market reverse. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, like it, share and comment. I will say thank you, bye bye. You can see I take total 3 trades, all are winning trade. You see, so thank you, bye bye.